I accidentally walk into the water with my phone in my pocket. It's lots of water in there.
Wow.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other n***s bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Good morning, the island family.
Go on. Yeah.
How are you all? It looks like a beautiful day today. So I know we haven't been vlogging for a while, you know, busy with life things, you know, as you know, work and things are ahead of us these days. But
Mommy.
yeah.
Water.
Yeah. So where are we going, Island? Do you want to tell everyone?
Yeah, sorry.
Tell everybody, where are we going?
Going to the beach.
Going to the beach, and Dad will be going fishing. Hopefully he'll catch some nice fish because it looks like it's high tide right now. So yeah, we're going to our famous same beach, Shelley Beach, guys. And we're just gonna drop. I'm just gonna drop off Babe first, and then me and Island are gonna go down to Kmart, which it's like a Walmart where you can get like you know, baby surfboards and things. So just want to get Island like a little board that he can play with. And then yeah, just get some ham or something for lunch, like make some sandwiches. Other than that, it's so good to be vlogging again. It's been a while. It feels like we're a bit rusty on the edges. But yeah, we've got so much to share with you guys, you know, in the next coming weeks.
As we did say, February is the month, you know, so
yeah, 2 weeks time, guys, and you'll all get to know.
The secret will be revealed.
The secret will be revealed, and we'll be able to tell you all, you know, where we're going and what we're doing.
Yeah.
Are you right to drive with the camera? Like,
yeah.
Yeah. And yeah, so that's what we're doing now. Just going to go to the beach, another beach day. Yeah, so that's what we love to do on our days off, is go to the beach. Unfortunately, I don't have a day off today, but that's okay. You know, my days off are coming. So yeah, so join us, guys, and this beautiful Sunday morning, off to the beach. Yeah. Also, I wanted to just quickly, what do you all think, for all the Jamaicans out there that follow us, what do you all think about the new laws that are coming, that are actually out now in Jamaica?
Yeah.
If you don't know them, road traffic
laws.
Yeah, from what I know, mobile phones, if you get caught with the mobile phones, it's about a 10,000 Jamaican dollar fine. Baby seats, if you don't have a baby seat, I think it's like 40,000 Jamaican or 20,000 Jamaican. But quickly, guys, I just wanted to show you, it doesn't matter about that right now because I still want to get everyone's like input. I want to get everyone's input, but check out the beach.
Some big waves out there today.
Lovely.
Hopefully we can catch some.
Beautiful. Do you want to try another spot down below there?
See how it goes.
Yeah, so as I was saying, like getting everyone's input about what's it called, about the situation over in Jamaica. I think me and Babe, we had this conversation about I'll just put the camera here. Me and Babe had this conversation about the baby seat situation, because remember when we were in Jamaica, a lot of the people that don't know that Jamaicans didn't have to use a baby seat back then were always saying to us that we should get a baby seat. Now me and Babe, we did go and see how much a baby seat was.
It wasn't cheap.
It was not cheap. It was like literally 50,000-60,000 Jamaican dollars, which works out to be about, what would it be, 300 400 US?
About that.
Something like that, if correct me if I'm wrong, or 250, something or other. But anyway, obviously the people that live in America could be able to tell us the currency difference. But yeah, so it was quite idea, a baby seat. So I'm thinking like, wow, they're actually bringing out that law. And we spoke about this, that the law was, you know, I said, can you imagine when they change the laws where people have to start using baby seats? And now here we go with the baby seat situation.
Yeah, and sometimes the laws are there, it's just not enforced. So that's the thing.
Yeah, definitely. So guys, we're going to wrap this up for now, but yeah, it'd be lovely to hear what you guys have to say about it all. It's a beach, Bobo. Yeah. He said pool.
Be an island, and they just gone to the shop to come back. Yeah, so we out here. I'm gonna see if we can catch an idea on a Sunday. Right now it's 9:40 in the morning, but right now we have some big waves out here, very big waves. So I don't know how this is gonna turn out. You see it. But yeah, man, lots of people out as well. Probably wouldn't be able to see, but the beach down there is full of people and thing. And there's a guy up here casting his lure. So I've never had any success on lure fishing, so I'm still new to that. Let's see it, but yeah, man, as you guys can see though, some big waves, which whenever I see big waves, I just think it's gonna be a nightmare, even though it's day. You see, because that mean a lot of stock line. It's mean a lot of hooks gonna be lost, a lot of sinkers gonna be lost. So you know the thing they go already. So I don't know what's today gonna be like, but let's hope for the best. You can see some birds out there dipping in the water. Definitely some fish out there. But yep, can't reach out there without a boat. So you know the thing they go already. So make we go start this off. Ready. I made about 3 or 4 casts here, and up till now I don't feel a bite, so just gonna go down further. Yeah, even though I can tell it's a very rough day, the waves them, only my line could go a bit further out, probably could catch something, but still gonna try, you know what I mean? So we'll see how it turns out today. Changing the spot, go down further and see what happens. As you can see, I'm wearing my long sleeve because the sun right now in Australia is no joke. I'd rather to be sweating in my clothes than to let it penetrate my skin. Yeah man, the sun is no joke in Australia. So I'm gonna try right here. Big wave of splash and thing, you know the thing go. So let's go now. Alright, so now I got the first stock line for the morning. So you know that come down already. Don't know if I can get it free. I guess the idea start, you know. Why it pull? It pull to rotted. Let's see if we can bring it in fast. What you wait? Let's see if I can bring it in fast. No son, not tell me this again. Yo. Oh, it got stuck and pull again. Me G's and P's. You see them waves there? Just a slam the line, but anyway, so it easily gets stuck. Wow, big wave. Those jet skis out there. Oh, those guys are actually fishing on their jet ski. They have igloo and also rod on the jet ski. mad, yo. Got my first fish on. Feel nice. Woo. As me throw it out in pickup. Where is it now? It's in the rocks here. Come on. Where are you? Oh, brim. I got a brim. Oh no, it got stuck. Oh no. It got stuck down here, guys. Shoot. I don't want to get splashed. Oh shoot. The fish is still on, guys, but the line is stuck. Ah, big wave, big wave. Oh no. I'm not able to get it out. I'm really gonna have to take a soak to get this fish. Like seriously. Oh, it pulled, but oh, there we go. There we go, guys. Woo! Big brim. Look at that. Nice one. Woo! First fish of the day. First fish of the morning, guys. Almost could I get away, but it wasn't lucky. Not your lucky day. Nice one, guys. Got that. Nice one, trust me. Woo! They feel good. So I got a fish on, guys. As me throw out the line and pick up. Literally. I don't know. Hope it don't get stuck. It's a brim. As we throw out the line and pick up. Why-yoy. Brim. Good one. This is the second one for the day. Right now it's 18 minutes past 11 you know, when I'm on in. Yeah, so you know what it is. So you know what I'm going. So here we have it, guys. Brim. Oh, fish on. I think this is a nice one, guys. Got another fish on. Here we go. Try bring it through these rocks about now. Oh, it's another brim. Oh no, it got stuck my line. Seriously. Oh, it pulled. Come on. Don't bother with that now. I think it's stuck right down there. Woo. This always happens. Still on the line though, guys. So let me see. Woo. Tell me so the wave can't pull this thing up for me. Oh, it pulled now. There we go. Another brim. Haha. Got another brim, guys. There we go. Third one this. Not too bad today at all. Alright, summer peeps. I don't know if I'll be doing any more fishing, but we just gonna chill with babes on the island, you know. Right over there, the beach area. Yeah, man, because I just lost my hook again, and I'm just over it, to be honest. So, caught 3 brim, you know what I mean? So, I'm satisfied with that. So, this is the 3 fish, guys. 3 nice brim. You guys can see that one on a normal. So, this is the beach area, guys. Pretty beautiful. It's low tide at the moment. You guys can see, but the sun not normal at all. Yeah. Hi, Bobo. Hey. Ice. Gosh. Come, let's go to the water. Okay? You okay? Come here. Woo! Water. Whoa! What kind of fish was? What kind of fish was that? Look, yeah, it looks big for real.
Huh?
Yeah.
Massive fish, babe. I'm like, bring a fishing rod here.
Yeah, look at all the tiny fish there as well.
Yeah, do you have the goggles?
No.
Yeah, but there's big pools of fish.
Yeah,
right
like
here.
bait fish. Wow. Beautiful.
Hi! Ready? I'm gonna have a look, see if you can see them. I'm like, there's something there. Someone has Daddy! Island and Daddy! Babe, I swear I came in here and there was like literally some big ass fish swimming around.
Yeah. So guys, the worst thing has happened. I did not film it when I was at the beach, but I accidentally walked into the water with my phone in my pocket, which was a crazy situation.
Oh,
Yeah.
sucks. Poor babes, he's upset because he's lost his like all his information and stuff.
Yeah, so if anybody that has my number, try to call me or message me. Yep, I don't have a phone at the moment. Yeah, man, so it's fully water soaked, not turn on or nothing. Yep. You can't believe it, but one of them situations there. I do me now still. So yeah, man. Like if you guys look closely there, that's water in the lens. Yeah. So honestly guys, I just wasn't thinking at all. I just quickly got into the water. And then I remember that I have my phone in my pocket. When I take it out, it was literally water was just running out of it, man. Shit. I was just so pissed I didn't even film in the moment. I swear, yo. Yeah, but obviously that's a no good phone. Definitely. Yeah. So guys, I'm just opening it up. It's the SIM card there. Try to focus. Shoot. Yep. It's lots of water in there.
Wow.
Yeah,
Well, that's seaweed in it.
it's, I think this, yeah, it's full of water. I've never heard of phone coming back after being drowned.
I heard you can put in a thing of rice.
Yeah, but I doubt it will be good again because it went through salt water, which I think for it to come back, you'd have to be flushing fresh water again, and yeah, I don't know. Have you guys ever heard of phone coming back after this? Let me know in the comment section. But yeah, I yet to have to buy another phone. So guys, what has come up is that idea came and babe say marketplace
On Facebook.
Yeah, so I find someone that's selling a Samsung S9, is it?
S9, yeah.
Yeah, so we're like literally 2 minutes away. Yeah, so they're selling it for 200. So
We managed to get it for 180.
yeah, we bargain it for.
It's run on Sundays. Wow, I used to work for that company.
Yeah. Yeah, so bargain it for 180 and the person said okay. So yeah, luckily I had the money to just go buy a phone right away. So that's a good thing. The first this ever actually happened to me. Like I never lose a phone by literally going into water. Mine just was off. Honestly. But yeah, fine away there now. What was that place?
It says Tyrone.
Is it the street called Tyrone Place or it's the house?
No, Tyrone. It's a street.
Yeah, so this is Austinville way.
Austinville, yeah.
Austinville.
It's a nice area, this one.
Yeah. Yeah, the house them look nice here.
Very nice.
Must be expensive here.
Very expensive.
I can imagine.
36, 39,
It's a brick house.
41. So it's on your side. Oh, actually 45, 46, yeah.
Babe, just pick it up for me. It's 9. Oh, nice.
That is it.
Yeah.
In a box and everything.
Oh my god.
Good, huh?
Yeah, so SIM card should still work, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna.
You're gonna put it in?
Yeah.
Damn, I'm gonna have to play with your phone, mister. Check it out in the box and all.
Yeah.
Let's hope it's not a girl colour.
True.
Oh, it's a nice phone. It's purple, but it's okay.
It's purple.
Yeah, it's brand new.
Yeah, it looked really brand new for real.
It's brand new, look.
Yeah.
Okay, let's have a look.
Alright. Jaja.
Wait, how does the SIM card go? Oh, yeah.
Oh, at the top.
At the top. That's strange.
Put it in. Should be up and running again. But I mean, I make that mistake here again at all, you know. I swear that was just. When I realized, yo, I actually have the phone in my pocket, I said my heart drop.
Oh, look, it even comes with a case.
Oh, yeah.
She's really good. Not
Yeah.
bad.
It's an old lady.
No, she's young. She's got young kids. Sorry, guys. I'm like more excited than him, but yeah. There you go.
It's booting up.
Booting.
Yeah.
There you go, my darling.
Alright, there we go, guys. Got another phone. Same day.
Same day you
Luckily.
drowned the other one.
We're till a star, boy.
Oh wow, look.
What's
You
that?
get a USB
What? It's definitely.
connector.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
It's definitely in good condition, yo. Like, looks really good, like brand new for real.
And yeah, wow.
For 180, it's not bad.
Not bad. It's in brand new condition, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, let's
There
get
you
out
go.
of people's